Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Hyundai Elantra. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical shorts while you work. Next, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a wrench. Finally, always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on sturdy jack stands before beginning any work underneath. Safety is paramount throughout this entire process. Now, let's locate the starter motor. It's usually found on the driver's side of the engine, near where the transmission connects. You'll see two electrical connections, a larger main power cable and a smaller solenoid wire. Carefully disconnect both of these. Then, using the appropriate socket, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the starter firmly in place. These bolts can sometimes be a bit tight, so be prepared. With the bolts removed and wires disconnected, you can now carefully maneuver the old starter out. It might be a bit heavy and awkward, so take your time. Pay close attention to how it was oriented. This will make installing the new one much simpler. While the starter is out, take a moment to visually inspect the flywheel teeth. Look for any signs of excessive wear or damage, which could indicate other issues. Now it's time to install your new starter. Carefully position it into place, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting holes. Reinstall and tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts securely. Next, reconnect the main power cable and the solenoid wire to their respective terminals on the starter. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and then you can start your vehicle to confirm the new starter is working perfectly. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.